Can we use this towel? Can we use this? Just to hide his face?
Oh, to hide Christian's face? Okay. Kennedy.
Yeah. Come on, Bean. Come on, Bean. 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 Too excited.
Do it. Right.
Oh, Daddy caught it.
Kaylee May.
Sorry.
Uh-oh, here come the little babies. No, because they go around humans all the time.
Now
Maybe if I get a big piece, they can see it.
look. Now look, white. Mama.
They're looking at it, they just scared.
Christian, are your hands even free? Oh, okay.
See? Told him it wouldn't work. Now look.
Kyle, get from in front of the camera, Kyle.
Just cover it with the towel.
Don't give them the whole thing, Kyle.
Mula, you want to go back in the water? Yeah. I want to go catch a baby real quick. Because the mama ain't even got a baby. I'm going to go catch a baby.
They can fly.
Here come the babies, Christian.
Now look at me. Look at my legs.
You got to stay perfectly still, Christian.
Kyle, look at my legs. Look at my legs.
Girl, get out from the camera.
I'm going to go around you so I can catch me a
You
baby.
keep moving your head. Stop. Too much. That's your problem.
You're like a scarecrow, Christian.
First, give them a little treat.
Kennedy!